like you can pass only one thing, or just a rating at a time, or a year at a time. So I have
Okay.
asked you to do sorting both first by rating, and if the rating is equal, then do
Yeah.
the sorting on the basis of year.
Yeah.
So
So
for this, you will implement two comparator. Means you will do sorting twice if you go
okay.
by normal sense like collections
Yeah.
dot sort.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
check it,
Yeah.
or you can pass it.
Okay.
So in a one go, means in a
Yeah.
one go, just like first rating after
Yeah.
that year, can you do sorting in a one go in a Java 8? Do you know some features of it like that? Anything like
One
that?
one go. I and no, I have to try. I haven't tried actually.
Okay, just try. In the new Java 8, you have a in the sort method only. You said like it's a functional, and you can use the comparator dot comparing and give the method reference to the getter of that movie class by get rating, then then comparing, and then give the other field what you are doing. So this is how you can sort in a one go.
One go.
Okay. Okay, so you mentioned in your CV like you have worked on a Hibernate also, right?
No, I have not worked. I have a basic idea on Hibernate, but currently we are not using Hibernate. So I have a
Okay,
knowledge on Hibernate.
okay, you have a knowledge. So can you please tell me the difference between what is at the rate transient and the transient keyword? What is the difference between them?
In terms of Hibernate,
In terms of Java,
in terms of
if you get it Hibernate, then you can include Hibernate in answer also. It's
uh,
not a big issue.
yeah, it's like if we talk about the normal transient keyword. So basically, this transient keyword we use in the case of the serialization. So what serialization is our objects are created at the runtime, so it's created in the heap memory. When we close our Java program, or when JVM shut down, that memory got cleared and that object also got destroyed. So if we want to save that object for future purpose, then we can serialize. So what happen is, during serialization, suppose we want some of the variables we don't want it to save, so we can use the transient keyword for that variable. So it will not save value for that particular keyword, means for particular variables it will save the default values.
Mhm.
And at the rate transient is I have no idea on the exact answer.
Okay, so okay, no issues. So, okay. So, have you any idea of the map and a flat map?
Yeah. So map and flat map both have the intermediate operations in the stream. So basically, map is we are using for transformation. Means every single input, for every single input it will give one output. And
Mm.
flat map is basically we use for flattening, means transformation plus flattening also. So for every single input it will give means 0 to n output. Like
Mhm.
let's say we have one list of integers, and we want to process something. We want to do certain operations on each of the objects. Then we can use the map. uh,
Mhm.
and let's say we have the what we can say is list of integers.
Mhm.
So if we want to flatten that list of integer into the single list, so we can use the flat map. So it will basically flatten. Basically means flat map we are using for flattening, and map we are using for transformation.
Okay, so suppose you have a array list.
Yeah.
Okay, and inside the array list we have a different array list. Okay,
Okay.
so suppose another in a array list there is another array list which is having a name, means as a string. So one array list, bigger array list, inside that array list we have a multiple array list in the names of the person like Alok, Ravi, Pratik, Lokesh, something like that. And you need to sort that list on the basis of the character, the first character. So just suppose like the first character is different in each and every name. Just like a PAL, that means suppose the character won't repeat, the first character won't repeat for any name. So how will you sort that? Means what you will use and how will you sort that?
Means we don't have to sort the outer array list. We only have to sort the internal array list.
Outer array list, there is nothing. So actually, it's
Okay.
a list inside list thing, right?
Okay.
So in a list, you
Okay.
have a multiple list of the names, and
Okay.
you have to sort all those names on the basis of the first character in a alphabetical order. Means the if
Okay.
Alok should be the first and Jabra should be the last kind of thing. So
Yeah.
what you will use and what will your approach to it?
So first thing is it's a list of lists. So we can convert it into the single list because that outer list does not contain anything. It's containing only the list. So we
Mhm.
can using flat map we can convert it into the single list. Then then we can do the there is one
Do you
sorted.
have your Oh, hold on. So, your do you have any ID or notepad open to you?
Yeah, yeah,
Can you please open it and share your screen?
yeah, yeah, I will share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Are you able to see?
Okay. So, yeah, I can see it. So, is it any option to do? Okay. Uh, Choose a screen to share. Okay, you are sharing.
ID
So, let's
list.
Is it any chat window over here? Okay, I'm giving you the input, how it should be. So just try with this one. Pratik.
List.
Hold on. So I'm giving you just see that, then you can proceed. Otherwise, uh, okay. So I put it in the chat. This thing you can, you can check.
Okay, but then communication, no. Okay. So first we will list dot. Let's say we have this as a list of.
Just keep it as a list of list.
Yeah.
You can initialize it, give the name, and you can do it. Mhm.
Hmm. First we build one more list. Dot as list.
Uh, uh, Rajat, do you think this is the same input what you are trying to do?
List of. Uh,
No, it should not be like that. Put arrays as a list and then put inside arrays as a list and then write inside that Pratik. Then that will be the same as the input I given to you. Okay.
uh, okay. Arrays is a list, and
Uh,
inside that. Okay. Acha.
uh, then it will be very easy for you, no?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah. Okay, okay.
otherwise,
It will be easy. And we will put one more array in the list.
yeah. Uh, just do it for all of those three. No, no, just do it for all those three. Arrays as a array list,
Okay.
Pratik, comma, then again do arrays as array list,
Okay. Okay.
Lalit, and then only it will be the similar to the what I given to you. Do a comma, then do arrays as a list. Uh,
Okay. And then we have L1 dot stream. So first we will make it as a flat map.
क्या दिक्कत है?
List. List.
Uh,
Dot.
L1 dot flat map, and then again you are using same L1 dot stream.
No, sorry. L1 dot stream. No, no, no. Dot sorted. Inside sorted.
You
Directly
know,
sorted, if you do directly sorted also, it will
no, if
be
you know how the sorted work internally, actually, I need to ask you to sort, not use this method.
okay.
I want you to use that different method, not this method.
Later one. Comparator. So what implementation? Implementation. Uh, A dot here. Okay. Then dot. Collect. Here we get the list of sort.
Store it in a different list. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm,
It's a list of sorted list.
mm.
So here in the comparator, we are basically passing the two objects, and we are again, because it's a string, we don't have to do our custom comparison. We can directly call the compare to method of the string.
Run it.
Okay. In that also. Yes. Abhinav, Lalit, Lokesh, Pratik.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. So one last question. Uh, do you have an idea of a future and completable future?
Uh, yeah, actually, I have read, but I'm means I have not
Okay.
used it.
Okay.
So yeah.
So have you used that optional feature?
Yeah, optional feature we have used. Basically, optional is we can use basically it's a wrapper around the object. So it is used to avoid the null pointer exception. So like we have, let's say we have a university object, and in response we get the university is null. So when we do the university dot get a student, so we'll get the null pointer exception. But in optional we have feature like optional dot is present. So if it's present, then only we'll perform the other operation. So basically, it is used to
Okay,
avoid the
can
null.
you open your text pad? Can you write a query for the self join?
Uh, Query for self join.
Yes. You can open the file with the new one. It's no issues. Go. Mm.
Join.
Yeah. So there is a two table. One table is a student, and
Okay.
another table is a the you can write as a student course.
Okay.
So just write a self join query for the student name and the student course should be the okay. Hold on. So no, that will be complex. Okay. Uh, okay. So no, no. So okay. So just a one table,
Okay.
the customer table.
Okay.
You have a column like ID
Mhm.
name. Write it. I think it will be easy for you to do something. Okay. Customer. Hold on. Okay. ID name, age, address, and salary. You have to display the name, the ID, name, and salary. ID, name, and salary of a customer who's whose salary is smaller than other customer.
Whose salary is smaller than the
How
other.
many? How means it's like it will arrange you in a decreasing order kind of thing.
No, actually, I didn't properly understand the
Okay,
question.
just show the ID, name, and salary of a customer in a decreasing order.
In a decreasing order.
Yeah.
Order by salary DES. Order by salary, na? Order
Yeah.
by salary. DSC after that salary or before that? I think I forgot this DSC should come before or after,
Okay,
but
no
something
issue.
order by salary. Yeah.
Okay, so when does we use self join and when does we use a full join?
Uh, Full join is basically suppose we have two tables,
Yeah.
and we want to map every column of the first table with the every column of the every row of the first table with the every row of the second table. Then we can
Mhm.
use the full join. And
And self join?
uh, self join is basically we want to uh, join with the same table.
When why we use it self join? What
Why
should be
we
the
use
procedure?
self join, like uh,
Mhm.
what scenario, like we have to compare, let's say we have table, and a table
So
has 50
suppose
columns.
this is the only table, customer table.
Yeah.
Then what could be the possible scenario when you can use the self join on this customer table?
Okay, what could be the possible join? A name of.
You have multiple tables in means if you are using a Oracle or SQL,
Yeah,
then you would have worked on a multiple table with the join things,
yeah,
right? So suppose take any table, whatever you prefer, and say like which scenario will use the self join.
self join which scenario? Salary. Okay, that scenario that I think that was talking about. We want to find out salary of a name of a customer or salary is greater than
Okay.
salary of.
No issues. Okay, leave it. Just a small question. You have mentioned a spring.
Yeah.
So a small question like, do you have any idea of what is a partial dependency? How can we handle that partial dependency?
Partial dependency. No, I have no idea.
Do you have any idea of that? The injection, like dependency injection. How can we do a dependency injection?
Yeah. So basically, dependency injection is basically injecting the
Like
one
different
object.
types, or just say the different types. So,
Yeah, like we use the auto wire for dependency injection. So like we have auto wire by type, auto wire by what we can say is it one is by name. So like in a Spring, if it particular talk about
okay,
the.
okay, just come to the point. Like, do you
Yeah.
have any idea of that constructor injection and setter injection?
Yeah, setter injection, constructor injection, I have idea.
So suppose we have a partial dependency injection. So in that case, we should use the setter injection or a constructor injection.
In that case, we should use setter injection, because in constructor injection, if we use, we have to give all the parameters. So in that case, we should use setter injection.
Is like setter injection overrides the constructor injection, or constructor injection overrides the setter injection?
That setter injection. No, I have no idea on
Okay, okay. So I think that's enough. So thank you, Rajat. It's a good. Uh, I will share my feedback to the Lalit. Yeah, no issues. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Pradeep. Thanks, Rajat. I'll
that. Thank you.
share the feedback.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Bye.